लो जितना टाइम लग रहा है।
थोड़ी बस थोड़ी खामोशी रिक्वेस्ट है। टॉपिक है जी पोइट्री। डोंट आस्क मी what poetry means, how poetry speaks. Don't ask me what poetry sees. Ask me what poetry conceals. Don't ask me what poetry speaks. Ask me how poetry intrigues. Don't ask me of the secrets poetry keeps. Ask me how the secret poetry reveals. Poetry and outlook is not within everyone's reach. Poetry and outlook is not within everyone's reach. Poetry and outflow of hearts helps hears to receive. Poetry, and out a preacher convinces the loves to increase. Poetry, and outbreeding urges the plucked mates to meet. Poetry is an outburst difficult to squeeze. Poet को वो कहने से रोकना बहुत मुश्किल है। Poetry welcomes outcasts, places them at par with the elites. Poetry and outlasts an experience to which no other can compete. Poetry an outcome of grind of wheels of heart and mind that insects can't eat. वो कीड़े नहीं, ऐसी चक्की है जिससे वो अल्फाज निकलते हैं, वो जो पोइट्री से निकलता है ना, उसका वो कीड़े नहीं खा सकते। Poetry an outcry against the wicked, voices it can treat. Poetry not an outdated creation, is going to always lead. Poetry outdistances its competitors. It's an eloquent way of speech. Poetry not simply an outer show, on deep roots it breeds. Poetry not only strikes out, does touch the heart's beats. Poetry outfights all other writing, stands on firm feet. Poetry an outgoing language, its expressions are sweet. Poetry an outgoing process, that's talk in the brief. Poetry is going to outlast. Poetry is going to outlast all time. That is what I believe. Poetry हमेशा रहेगी, अज़ल से अबद तक। Believe. दो लाइनें, दो तीन लाइनें और हैं। Poetry is the outset. Poetry will outshine. Poetry will never freeze. Nature outputs poetry. That fact transpires when revealed writings we read. आखिरी लाइन है जी, reply of many questions through poetry I secrete. Thank you.
जनाब सलाउद्दीन वहीद नासर तशरीफ ले आओ जनाब।